Father Peter Mary Murmia's extensive and impactful work serves as an enduring benchmark for all of us. His life and apostolate were marked by a deep-rooted commitment to the gospel and an unwavering desire to share its message. His approach to pastoral care was holistic and comprehensive, addressing physical, emotional, spiritual, and social needs. He believed in the interconnectedness of these aspects, that the spiritual well-being of his flock was intertwined with their overall health. His ministry included preaching missions, visiting the sick, comforting the sorrowful, and encouraging the faithful, exemplifying a holistic care philosophy. Central to Murmia's pastoral vision was the revitalization of parish life. He viewed parish as the heart of the church and essential for its spiritual vitality. His focus on parish missions and retreats aimed to reignite the faith of the people and deepen their relationship with God. Recognizing the importance of family and youth, he developed programs catering to their specific needs, ensuring a vibrant and engaged parish community. His pastoral care extended beyond spiritual guidance to tangible acts of kindness and support. His love for his people remained steadfast even when they turned deaf ears to his preaching. Setbacks and disappointments did not sadden him, but urged him to pray more fervently and ceaselessly. Father Murmia was also a skilled community builder. He fostered a sense of belonging and support among his parishioners by establishing a core group of dedicated individuals, creating a ripple effect of positive change among the Catholic community. His efforts ensured that the church was not just a place of worship, but also a center for community life. Murmia's pastoral care was characterized by a strong missionary spirit. He saw the church as a dynamic, outward-looking body called to share the gospel with the world. His involvement in establishing the missionaries of St. Francis de Sales and Sisters of the Cross of Chavano highlighted his commitment to spreading faith. He believed that the missionaries should be well-formed and equipped to address both the spiritual and material needs of the people, ensuring a holistic approach to evangelization. Being a visionary, Father Murmia recognized the transformative power of education. His concern for the poor and the marginalized led him to prioritize education of children, especially those from disadvantaged backgrounds. He understood the interconnectedness of faith, education, and social justice, addressing the root causes of poverty and inequality through his service. He sought to create a society where everyone had the opportunity to thrive regardless of their backgrounds. His pastoral care was characterized by a deep compassion, commitment to social justice, and a visionary approach to addressing the needs of the church and the society. As we celebrate his legacy, let us resolve to serve the people generously, building a more just and equitable world.